A historic monument, the old Roman bridge of Dole, needs to be restored. But first of all, a powerful water current must be stopped. With the Watergate water barrier, not only is it possible, it's easy. You simply slide it over the water, making sure the front stays well on the surface. Once in position, you push the barrier's flap down to the bottom of the water, and the magic happens. All that's left is to complete the installation by placing ballast along the entire length of the barrier. Here, the installation holds back 1 meter of water over a length of 30 meters. 11 people, 15 minutes, no heavy machinery, no anchoring, and effective on all types of terrain. Flexible, fast, and powerful, the Watergate is the perfect tool in emergency situations. When every second counts, Watergate makes all the difference.